MLA ke Mawhati Wak Charles Marngar nin ke sengi ro Pynpaw ya ke Jingsngewkhia Halor ke Jingbun jeng ki Samla ke pet Shnong nam me khlaya sha ki wepat ki Jylla man laj wat kam wat jam kani ke Jingsngewkhia kawan hadin ke Jingja ke Badang Suggestion ha Tinsukia district ke Badan ha Assam ha ke ba arngut ki Samla nam khlaya kila sudo la ke Jing ha ke Jing ti doyong be an ulo pensyai babun ki pat ba nam khlaya kim ban se bantre ki kam ki babu Jingma ya ke Jing jong ki cha ki wepat ki Jylla na kada ke Jing duna kam hapo ke Jylla.
To see that due to the employment instinct of people from my constituency, from other constituencies, and the whole state of Meghalaya, they have to go outside the state. So this is the one. So from my side, I want to say that this is the time. It's high time that we have to think about it, and that we have to, talk about, and high time that the government should take seriously in this matter.
Ka seng BJP jong Jylla me khlaya ka sin